In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can calibrate HDR on your Nintendo Switch 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now what you're going to want to do first is go to System Settings from your home screen. And once that loads, scroll down until you see Display and select it. Inside the display settings, look for HDR output. Once you find it, you can click on it and choose between for all software or compatible software only, or off if your screen doesn't support it. Select the option that works best for you depending on how you want HDR to function. I would personally do compatible software only so that the games that are meant to be seen in HDR are seen that way. Next, scroll down and select Adjust HDR right under it. And if your screen supports HDR, you will now see a calibration screen with patterns. Unfortunately, I do not have this because I am recording on an SDR screen, but for you, you will have a whole setup process and I will describe it right here. But just follow the on-screen instructions. Adjust the settings until the pattern on the left is visible, but the pattern on the right is no longer visible, and use the directional buttons to fine-tune the brightness level. This is also a good way to see the maximum nits of your display that has HDR, so it can be used for this as well. But once you're satisfied with how it looks, press OK and save your HDR calibration. Your HDR settings are now configured for your TV. There should also be a paperwhite setting. You could just leave this alone if you don't want to overcomplicate it. But in my experience, bringing the slider all the way to the left and not putting it up 6 notches is a good way to get accurate HDR. But that is it. HDR is now calibrated on your Nintendo Switch 2 and ready to use. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.